Hey guys, welcome to today's episode of
Sunnyside.
That's right, where we're going to be opening up some Pokemon cards. We got 10 packs for you guys. Today's going to be our first time ever opening up these cards. We're going to do something hopefully unique. We're going to be opening up 5 English cards and 5 Japanese cards. So we're going to see what we have. You ready, Sunny?
Yes.
All right, where should we start first? Japanese or English?
English.
All right, first pack. Let's get a little look on that.
Chilling rain.
Yes, here we go.
It's time to open the packs.
Okay, here we go. Some pointers on how to open these things up better, I guess. Oh, there we go. There's another.
And toys.
All right. So,
Ooh.
that's going
What's
to be
this?
for us.
What's that? Ooh.
Is that right? All right, here we go. Starting off, what do we got here?
Fighting energy.
Fighting energy. All right. Let's move some of this trash out of the way.
Or maybe stone energy.
Okay.
Weeding
Ooh,
gloves.
look at that. Weeding gloves. Okay.
Avery.
Avery. Nice.
From Armor. The Isle of Armor.
Okay. Ooh, what about here?
Flaffy.
Flaffy. Nice, nice.
Snorunt.
Okay. Water type. Very nice.
Weedle.
Oh, that's nice.
That's doing exercise.
Oh, look at that. It's getting stronger, huh? It's training.
Cast
Okay.
form.
Okay. Oh, I like that. It's like knitted or something.
Quillyfish.
Quillfish. All right. That's nice. I like that one too.
Ralts.
Rolls. All right. And what do we got under here? Oh,
Pioneer.
okay. Piranha. What does that say? Okay, that looks actually pretty nice. That is a holographic training card.
A reverse holographic.
Oh, reverse holographic. Okay. That is cool. All right. What is the last one? Here we go.
Celebi
Whoa.
VMAX. It's a Dynamax Celebi.
That is cool. What do you think about this one? Sleeve it or leave it?
Leave it.
No, I meant the Celebi. You think sleeve it or leave it?
Sleeve it.
All right. We're going to put this one to the side and get some. Look at that. That is beautiful. Get a sleeve for it later.
It's a Dynamax Celebi, I
All
tell
right.
you.
What about this trainer card? I didn't even ask. Reverse holo. Sleeve it or leave it?
Sleeve it.
Sleeve it as well? Okay.
My
I'm
turn.
going to add it to the sleeve pile. All right, next. Continue US or go to Japanese?
Japanese.
All right, let's go to Japanese cards.
Yeah.
Okay. So these packs, I believe, have less. I'll put that
Trashy.
trash there. Okay, let's see real quick. Okay, I see. Okay, so these are structured a little bit different
Mortal.
than the US ones. Okay, what do we got here?
Mortal.
What is it?
Mortal
Morlul? All right.
in English.
So we're going to add the English subtitles to these. And look for them on the screen.
Larion.
Larion. Okay, nice.
Evolves from Aeron.
Okay.
Cupchew.
Ooh, look at that guy. We got a little booger. All right. Ooh, what is that?
I think it's a Celigor.
Celigor. He looks intense.
A fire
Ooh.
energy.
Very nice. Okay. Okay. All right. So you can see this. The Japanese packs are a little smaller. All right. What next? Another US or another English one? Here we go. All right. Let's see. I can get good at opening up these boxes.
Ew. Another.
Okay. Let's move the trash right there. Put this in there. Okay, here we go. What do we got right off the top? Shift tree?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, let's take a look at that one.
Yeah, it's cool.
That is pretty cool.
Psychic energy.
Okay, okay. Definitely need those in the deck.
Pinchurchin.
Pinchurchin?
Yeah.
Nice. Electric types.
Telescopic sight.
Okay. Telescopic sight. Nice. Okay.
Ferrothorn.
Ooh. Ferrothorn.
It's funny.
What kind is that? Oh, steel type?
Yeah.
Cool.
Cottony.
Nice.
Rolling tackle. That's funny. Aracuda.
Ooh. Okay.
Ninsada.
Okay. Ooh.
Pick-a-peck.
Pick-a-peck. See some of the artwork there.
Pick-a-peck evolves into Trebeak and then Toucan. Poochiana.
Puchiana. Okay, is that a reverse? It is not a reverse. That's okay. Alright, last one. What do we got? What do we got? Here we go. Ooh.
Toucan evolves from Trebeak.
Oh, it is a holographic. What do you think? Sleeve it or leave it?
Sleeve it.
Okay, we're going to put that in the sleeve it pile. Alright, next. Another Japanese or English?
Did you mean another English or Japanese?
Sure. Another Japanese. Alright, go.
Oh.
Alright, oh, look at that. I got better with it already. We're learning. Alright, here we go.
With the yearning.
Here we go. First up, what we got?
Wimpod.
Wimpod.
A wimpy little pod.
I don't know. He looks pretty serious to me.
Toxel.
Toxel, okay.
He looks funny.
Does look a little
He almost looks like a droopy dog.
suspicious.
He almost looks like a droopy dog.
Mm-hmm.
Another air.
Okay. What is it? An Aeron?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, I think I have a shiny version of him with red eyes.
So-
Oh, another one. Okay, we got one of these already, right?
Mm.
And
A parasol.
Parasol.
I don't know what
Interesting.
kind it is called.
Add the translations later, of course. All right. Moving on. What else? Okay, so we're going one English, one Japanese. That's
Yeah.
the pattern. All right.
Pattern.
We'll change up the pattern later if necessary. Oh, I've been showing you the front. Okay, look at that. That's a big one right there.
That is one big Pikachu.
It is one big Pikachu.
It's like it's on
All right.
YouTube.
I thought I got good at this. Oh my.
This one's hard.
There we go. Get it.
The
Look at that.
Star of Holding.
All right. Here we go.
Ooh. What's that?
Okay.
Okay, what does that say?
All right. Here we go. Here we go.
Ooh.
What do we got? Okay.
A grass energy.
Grass energy. Need those.
Aromatic grass energy.
Okay. Oh, thought it was the glare of the light. It's not. It's the.
Galvantula.
That's a cool one. Look at that.
He almost looks like on an Electro spiderweb.
Swallow.
Swallow.
Just cruising through the skies. That's nice.
Execute.
Oh, okay.
It
I
has
like that
seed
art.
bomb.
That's nice art.
Mudray.
Mudray. Oh, look at him. He's just having fun.
Woobat.
Okay. Looks questionable.
Beldum.
Ooh.
Blitzel. Jirachi.
Oh, that is nice. Is that? Oh, that's hollow. Look at that. What do you think? Sleeve it or leave it?
Sleeve it.
All right, we're gonna save that one.
Amazing Star.
And oh, I might have gotten the order mixed up. What we got here?
Ninjask.
Ninjask. Okay. All right. So now moving on to Japanese.
Again.
Let's open this one up.
Yeah, the Garchomp with the Grantina.
All right. Ooh. Who's this guy?
Thunderous.
Oh, it's two of them. Look at
That one's Tornadus and that
that.
one's
Tornadus and
Thunderous.
Thunderous. All right.
It's just Thunderous.
Oh.
Because there's no and.
Oh.
It's just Munchlax.
Oh, that's
The big
Snorlax's,
eater.
right?
It's a Munchlax that evolves into
Oh.
Mana. Hey, look, Eevee and Pikachu. It's funny.
Ooh.
What's that? Ooh. And this thing. Okay, Pidove evolves into Tranquil, and then.
Okay, we're gonna add the names to some of these that we don't know yet. And what we got back here? Ooh.
That's on Pheasant.
Oh, it's on Pheasant, the last one? Okay.
Gladius.
Look at that. That is nice. It's not holographic, but it's still nice. All right.
And it's a legendary.
It is a legendary. All
On
right.
to the English cards again.
All right. Did we open one of these yet? I don't think we opened one of these yet.
That thing looks like an.
Okay. This is from
A
Vivid
UFO.
Voltage. I think the last one was 2.
That almost looks like a UFO.
Mm-hmm.
Gigantamax.
Mm-hmm. Oh, look at that. I got it already.
Platypus.
Hold on, guys. Hold on. Here we go. 2, 3, 4. Here we go. What we got?
Thunder Energy.
Okay.
Cramorant.
Okay.
Kakuna.
Nice.
Sir Chesterbath.
Chesterbath?
Sir
Okay.
Chesterbath.
Interesting.
Clobopus.
Okay, look at those gloves. Okay.
Electrike. Execute.
Oh, we got another one of those. Okay. Oh, look at
Eevee.
that. That's your favorite, huh?
Yeah.
As you can see back here.
Hello.
All right. Oh,
Woobat.
another Woobat.
What a dirty little
Okay.
bat.
Oh, reverse hollow.
Yanma.
What do you think about this one? Sleeve it or leave it?
Sleeve it.
All right, we're going to sleeve that one. And the last one is
Whimsicott.
Whimsicott.
What the? You wimpy little.
Okay, look at that. All right. Here we go. Second to last Japanese. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Here we go. You know what? Just gonna do maybe this one in the back. I don't know. We'll put it back there again. We'll just have it like we had it. All right, what do we got?
Pupitar.
Ooh, I like that.
Fletchinder Japanese.
Look at that, different artwork.
Purloin.
Like it. What's this guy?
So it evolves from Carablast and then it evolves into... I forgot the name.
That's okay. We'll add it in later. We're learning about the new ones.
Okay.
And what do we got here?
A Forest Tabalumi.
That's right. Yeah, this is in Sword and Shield, right?
Yeah.
All right. All right. Why don't we open up the last Japanese one first,
Yeah.
and then we'll do the English one as the final one. All right, here we go. Let's put this one back here. All right, what do we got here?
Meditite.
Look at that. Just doing exercises in the woods. Socially distancing.
Another Munchlax.
Munchlax.
Again.
What's this?
I don't know what that is. It almost looks like a stamp.
It does look like a stamp. Okay. Maybe you pulled double cards. We'll see. We'll find the translation and add it.
Another Latios.
Ooh. Is that hollow? Nope. Okay. And this one.
A Mana.
Mana. Oh, I've seen some of those. Okay. All right. Here we go. We made it to the last one.
Yeah, crush it.
Crush it. Okay. Vivid voltage. Okay. Check out the box in the back. I'm sure you can get them many places. We got ours here at the Pokemon store in Okinawa, Japan, which we will have that video for you guys soon.
What does that say?
I think it's this.
You have 5 of these cards.
Let's see if I did this right. Here we go.
1, 2, 3.
All right, what do we got?
5. Clefable.
I like that artwork. Okay. Ooh.
Electrical energy.
Yes. Oh, we got one of these.
Pinch your chin with a peck.
Oh, is that a different move from the
A
last
butt
one?
face.
Okay.
Yes, Daddy.
Okay, here we go.
Trumbeak.
Okay, we're gonna have to edit out some of those words. Here we go, Trumbeak. Oh, Nessa.
Nessa.
Didn't she have a Seadrill that she
Wait.
used? I think so.
She's
I don't
from
remember.
Pokemon Sword and Shield.
Mm-hmm.
Mudbray
Okay,
again.
we have one of those.
Joltik.
We got one of those.
Weedle.
Mm-hmm. Got one of those.
Talo.
Oh, that's a different Weedle. Okay, Taylor. I like that. Oh, is that like
A toy.
a real life picture? Yeah, that looks really clear. It doesn't look drawn. Let's go. Ooh.
Sandile.
Sandile, okay. And last, a reverse hollow.
Cottony.
Nice. Do we have one of these?
I don't think I have
What do you think,
those
though?
kinds.
Just leave it or leave it?
Leave it.
All right. Well, we made it through. Let's recap on the ones that we think were worth sleeving, right?
Yes.
We got the one you just saw, Cottony.
Yanma. Jirachi. Toucanon. Peonia.
Ooh,
Dynamax Celebi.
that's beautiful. I like that. Cool. Well, that's it for this episode. Stay tuned for the next one. We're going to try to be doing the Pokemon cards, 2 videos a month for you. And then look out for the other videos of our adventures with Sunny Side Up, right?
Yeah.
All right, guys. See you in the next video.
Yeah. Peace.